Hello guys, my name is Balmiki from Kolkata, a model car collector and a car enthusiast. In this video, we will be unboxing this cute little box. This box contains a very special car. So, buckle up your seatbelt and let's get started. So, I have collected this box from Wasim Sheikh. Thank you Wasim for sending me this package and this is a really special car for me. I have already have one of it, but I have ordered it again for the color, for the grandeur of this car. It's a Mahindra official merchandise Xylo model. So let's quickly take that out. And the packaging that Wasim provides every time, it's just bomb-proof packaging. As you can see that there's layers after layers of cardboards and packages and sellotapes so that your card is being delivered to you absolutely safely. So we are taking them out, and layers of newspapers, and here it is. Okay, here it is. So let's quickly unwrap the wrap and let's see the model. Okay, I'm just cut the seal quickly, and here we are, the Mahindra official Xylo. This is a beautiful model. I have already have it in maroon color, but once I saw it in black, I was just amazed. Okay. Oh my god, look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. All the detailing and the sharpness and the black color is just amazing. This is Mahindra official Xylo, but it has not been made in China or has not been provided in m2all.com. It is made by Excel Industries, which is currently located in Delhi. But if you want this model, you have to contact Wasim because he is the only dealer of Xylo. I have previously collected one maroon Xylo from him, and this time I have collected this black Xylo. I have pre-ordered it from him, and this is just a magnificent model. Thank you Wasim again for this beautiful model in such a reasonable price. I will link his Instagram ID in the description. You can also check that out, and also you can buy one Xylo for you. This is one of the most precious models in my collection. So catch up you in the next video.